Hey everyone. Hey everyone. It's day 9. We are live. Now I'm building SaaS. I haven't streamed about 4 days. Last stream was 4 days ago. So today we're gonna continue building our app, the YouTube assistant, View Frenzy. YouTube coach for small YouTubers, people who want to grow their channel, and this app will help them. All the useful stuff that helps your channel grow. I am trying to gather all the necessary stuff and put in this application. Also, it will have it will be AI integrated, like AI will be assistant who will help with ideas and providing feedback and all the necessary stuff. So I will give a brief description of what we achieved already over 8 days, right? And what our plans will be for today. Okay, so let me just run the browser. Check. Okay, so this is what we got. This is not final design. This is the approximate design I want this app to have. I want light colors. I want cozy UI. So yeah, this is the base which will be improved on. As you can see, I am logged in with my YouTube account, and it just needs to sync. Right now I don't have automatic sync. I am making I should have a button actually to press and sync. Sync, where did it go? Okay, I will check with this. So basically this is the dashboard overview page. Gives on top some simple information about the channel, coach notes, recommended actions, milestone progress, recent uploads, and growth reading. This is some basic stuff for now, and also will be the chat integrated, but yeah, we will work on the chat UI. This is the chat. Actually it should work now. I haven't tested like 4 days already. I have integrated while development process is ongoing for this. We will be using simple Google's model 2.5. I'm just testing. It is just connected, and context is being given to it on each message. So let's see what context will it have right now. Hey, can you update me? Tell me progress of my channel. Right now it should not have a broad idea about the progress. Can 29 subscribers view since the last snapshot 3 days ago? That's fantastic momentum. Your subscriber. Okay, so I mean, the context works. The context is being given, but this is old data. It's not being updated. I need to real quickly check where is our sync button. Okay, actually I will be focused on 2 terminals, I guess, or 3 terminals. I have some stuff to investigate today, so not to lose some time. Okay, so where is the sync button? Sync button to update my channel statistics. I remember we added it somewhere, but can't find it. Meaning to refetch my channel statistics, like total subscribers and stuff like that. Okay, so I mean, let's go like Cloud. No. Terminal is buggy. Why? Okay, found it. Component existing channel, but it's not imported anyway. It was built but no placed. Yeah, for now, let's place it on a dashboard overview page somewhere. I don't know. Not of a big deal. And I want the browser. Okay, make the edits. I think this is because of let me zoom out. Try like this. If it works. What if I zoom in again? Does that work? Okay. If I zoom out like this. Okay, I think I'll keep it like this. Okay. Go. Okay, so let's check. Also, let's. Where is my browser here? Browser. Okay. Sync channel. Such a bad place for it. Okay, it's failed to sync your YouTube data. Interesting. Oh, yeah, this is failed to sync data. Internal server error. Yeah, I need to check this in my Google console, I guess. Okay, YouTube sync endpoint is giving me 500 error. Okay, so I had a couple of plans for today. Actually, I have some things implemented also. I need to review it. Okay, so coaching task. Actually, please review current changes and give me a brief summary what has been done. Okay, so most likely we'll explain what access token refresh. Okay, I'll try one thing. I will just sign out and sign in. Let's see if it was the issue. Okay, let's send everything to Claude. That's the browser network. I need the server side error. Can you? Okay. Upstream image response failed. It's an image error, and what error is this? I have no idea, to be honest. I'll grant your Google refresh token has what typically happens when Google Cloud in testing mode. Signing. Okay, so I signed out and signed in, but it didn't help. So is my only way to fix this to go to cancel cloud? Not to cancel, but to go to Google Cloud. Yes, on the previous stream, actually, coaching system was implemented. New Prisma models, coach node, coaching task, navigation, new domain services, new page components, crown refactored, constants. Okay. Now code review the changes, and then I will just merge this branch, and then we'll continue working on new features. Actually, I found that Cloud is doing good code reviews. It is finding potential bugs. It's still necessary to yourself check the code, of course. You can't trust it yet, but code review also helps you to find some bugs. So you should do the both stuff. Yeah, it loads the plugin, superpowers code reviewer. Okay, now, okay, let's fix this authentication issue. Now I want to do one more thing, I think. Let's first let's code review these changes, and then we added coaching notes, coaching tasks, complete action, dismiss action, goal actions. Goal, okay. Actually, this is action, server action, get user ID, create goal. Okay, coaching page. What is this? Node type labels. Let's put this to some data folder, some consts. Maybe create a data folder in the Okay, closely follows the plan. Fix before merge, server action, silently swallow, task item and go. Okay, so we have important stuff to fix. Server actions, error, silently swallow the task item, go dialog. Call server actions without checking the success error result. User gets no feedback on failure. Format time returns 0 minutes ago, but should return just now, which makes sense. A hard-coded 5 instead of task expiry days. This is also like to sequential promise all calls and get the dashboard data. Ali, hello brother. Hey, what's up? How is it going? Okay, get dashboard data. Let's review this component. Session user ID. We are doing sequential calls in get dashboard data. This is the okay. Yep, the sequential calls. Dashboard data. Okay, fix those errors. And regarding the to sequential promise all call in get dashboard data component, please review the component once again. Yeah, find suggest me a fix for this two consequential calls for promise all, and also suggest me how could this be improved, this component. Maybe some logic can be extracted. Yeah, I feel like it has. No, actually, what? No, okay, just review it and suggest me improvements. I will just remove my comment. Just got off work and just chilling. Okay, that's great. Yeah, also I finished work today and decided to start streaming and relax. That's cool. Yeah, you are working on mobile app, right? Okay, let's send this prompt, not to put Claude into some confusion. Now sign in. Google issue fresh tokens. Let's test. Let's go and let's test. I'm gonna sign out. Gonna sign in. Okay, signed in. Let's sync channel. Okay, sync channel kind of did not get no error. Okay, so sync channel doesn't refresh the page, but it's fine. We will have this on a scheduler. So for now it's fine. Now data is being correctly displayed. I will ask the chat. I refreshed my channel progress. Review the new progress and give me feedback. Goals, no items found, profile. Okay, what is this? Something interesting. Goals. Okay. So, this is our AI, okay? Okay, now client app has some business. We are making it. Okay, that's great. 70% is a good amount of work already. So close to finalizing the app. That's cool. Okay, so our chat kind of okay, weird answer. What is your previous response about? Let's just understand the awareness. See, you update your channel. Okay, previous response was some bug, maybe, I don't know. Update your channel progress. Let's take a look. It's grown. You goals gained. Feedback and recommendations. You are in the traction stage. Your recent growth show you're effectively building on what works. The key now is to continue refining the strategy, content focus, keep creating content. Okay. For your building SaaS series, identify what made day 7 and day 5 most successful than others. What in the title? Okay. What do you think about creating a video instead of AI identific bug? Okay, so first of all, that video that you referenced is a short, so I don't think we can derive some judgment based on that shorts, I think, right? Because shorts could gain a lot of views. It doesn't mean anything, right? And about the streaming series, I think you gave me good idea to think about. It's interesting why day 7 got so much popularity. So title is the same, just the number of the days are different for each stream. So what could be the clues for that? The appointment scheduler is such a headache. Been stuck on it for past week. The appointment scheduler. Okay. And what and what language are you writing in? And yeah, I can imagine the schedulers are always pain. if it's not pretty simple, you know. I specifically don't like when there are already a lot of schedulers on your app, and I don't like keep adding and adding the schedulers. I don't know why, but I kind of don't like that. Okay, so let's see. You make a great point about YouTube Shorts. You're right. Blah blah blah. Thanks for regarding building SaaS. Why day 5 and day 7 might have performed better than others. Here's some potential clues. Thumbnail. No, there is same thumbnail. Okay. Okay, so I need to check. Okay, so let's get back to terminal. This problem is fixed. Overall, I need to understand what is ongoing work and what is not. First, I really want to merge this feature, and then I have a lot of stuff, and one feature is which I want to start working on, and the other thing is I want to kind of get together all the planned tasks to make a list of to know what am I doing next. So yeah, a lot of stuff to do. Okay, React Native. Yeah, I think I remembered you told me. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess you are working with cron jobs on the backend for that schedulers. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. Let me just get dashboard data. 2 promise alls. We have this mock data removed. Page component. Okay, so I will just create a pull request now. Anyways, it will get checked by Devin. So okay, let's commit this and push. Okay, and now create a pull request. Okay, so yeah, a lot of files actually. I got a lot of files, so let's better commit them. So we start with clean branch, clean tree. Okay, here's the browser tab. Yeah, also let's go and check the other pages. Why is my Git asking me to sign in? Okay, I'll sign in. Okay, it's not working. Okay, committed. I'm pushed. I'll create the branch, the pull request. Okay. Meanwhile, yeah, this is our board for posting ideas. Okay, coaching system. Okay, let's create pull request. Okay, run jobs are implemented. Client wants sub appointments of customers in a full day. Okay, dynamically. Okay, yeah, sounds a bit complicated. Gonna go. Gonna touch some grass with coffee. Okay, okay, yeah. Enjoy your evening. Yeah. Bye. Okay, so actually I created a branch pull request into the main branch. So Devin is reviewing. I'll just quickly try to I need you to go through the project and try to find the markdown files, the tasks which we have not created and have planned. So I need a list of to know what I need to work on next, except the plan of the questionnaire. Once the user signs up for the first time, I know that I need to work on it. I will work on it next. But besides that, I need to know all the other tasks which I have planned. Just a short summary list, you know, I need from you. Okay, so Okay, let's see. Okay, so yeah, while the PR is being checked, here we have plans, goals, and coaching system. Coaching system is done. Goals is done. AI tools use. Okay, gamification system, Google Calendar, dashboard, real data migration, board UX improvement, UI UX inspiration plan. What does that mean? Okay, need to check that. Okay, let's check Devin's analysis. Also I wanted to do one thing today. I wanted to try how it works actually. What I want to do is to try integrate 21st Dev with my Claude. There is an MCP server for it, or plugin. Okay, I can do it here actually. Plugins, I guess. Let's say 21st. No, I can't. It's installed. Okay, I need marketplace. I don't know. Discover plugins. Installed. Code simplifier. 21st Dev. Okay. How can I connect how can I connect 21st Dev MCP with Claude so Claude can browse the MCP 21st Dev components? Okay, so we have 3 potential bugs. It's not much for so many stuff. So one bug we have cron endpoint owl bypass when cron secret is not set. Okay. Okay, I need to fix this. This is important. Okay, pull Devin's comment on the pull request and fix the critical one about the secret, cron secret. Okay, so let's go and integrate 21st Dell with Claude. Okay, so this is a guide. Okay, it's a lot of stuff. I don't think I will do this in this stream. Maybe I'll do it separately, or maybe plan for next stream, because today we don't have too much time and I want to do some necessary stuff today. So maybe I'll try that in the next stream. And today let's focus on the important stuff. Okay. Okay, so here review issues fixed and pushed. Okay, fixed and pushed is good. Let's go and check. Okay, now these changes will also be reviewed. Starting analysis. Meanwhile, I will go and check this inspiration plan. What is this about? This is a plan to investigate top tier productivity apps. This could be then done on a later stage. Board UX improvements. Okay. Okay, so actually what we have right now is the board and a content page. We have a board page, we have a content page, and coaching page, right? Which are empty for now. And we have a chat, of course. So what I want to check right now is following. So, okay, this is important actually. I need to do it here. So, so right now we added some action functions and service functions, and so is AI able already to perform actions if I ask about the task, or we need to update its context regarding that? So AI can do that. And also I was thinking to implement kind of a sitemap that provides AI information about the pages and links on the website. Do you think it will be useful? Let's say I will ask right now AI, our website on our app, if he can do anything. Can you create a plan for me? Actually, I can compare this model to Opus, because for my local work I use Opus for brainstorming, and I will compare how this will brainstorm ideas. Yep. Okay, so it did something. Look, I asked it if it can help create a plan for me. Okay, let's see the response first. Yes, I can help you create plans since we've identified. Since we identified the content focusing on tech programming. Content and packaging optimization. Okay, so it created a plan for me. I wasn't specific, so it created a general plan, and some of the points are useful. And I just wonder, it created an idea, and let's see. I'm really interested. Okay, so I just added the title, but not the description. Okay, interesting. What in reality, what I wanted it to do is to put all this thing here, formatted. Okay. So I need to fix that part. Okay, so sitemap is a good idea. The AI currently has zero knowledge of the apps pages. It can't tell users go. Okay. Okay, it's designing a plan. Let me check the it didn't analyze. Can you clear our conversation? Let's see what can do. Okay. Can you analyze my latest video? Don't you have access to my latest video? Okay, for some reason it can't. Context builder, where is it? Here. Okay, this is the created context, and creators data. Recent videos. I need to understand what about the videos are we sending there. Okay, we are sending the channel, and channel has videos. Should have it actually. Okay, you know what? Can you log this context? Not this one. Can you log this system prompt? I want to see it in the terminal every time I send the message to AI. So you can't see my latest videos. Format this for me so I can read this. Okay. Okay, so this is our prompt, which is huge, I think. Create this current data. Okay, video. Okay, it has recent videos. So it has recent video titles. Okay. Do you know my recent videos? So, what is this? Like, recent videos it knows, but latest video it doesn't know. I guess this is just the issue of the cheap Google model. Do you know my latest videos? Before that it didn't know. So you have access, you can see my recent videos, right? Okay, which is the best video, best performing video? Do you want to explore specifically? Okay. Okay, we have one more bug I see. Or no? No, it actually resolved. Okay, that's fine. Now I'll merge it. Okay, merge this. Now we can switch the branch. Let's go to main branch. Now let's make it full. Okay, from here on we can start working. Okay, so Actually, I want to fix one bug. For now, don't start executing, just create a plain markdown file. Okay, we need to start working on the questionnaire. Once the user registers, please check, open up, find the markdown file. It's a plan about questionnaire, and also, okay, also, okay, it's questionnaire. Let it do its thing, and I want to check one thing actually. So this prompt is too big, I think. Okay, so this is the prompt, the context that we are giving to AI all the time on every message. And how can this be improved? And overall, is it too big? Is it too small? This size of the context? What plan are we going to execute? Can you point me out to that plan so I can read it? Okay, yes, I want to save it to file, but before we do that, please give me a small brief explanation what this is about. Like sometimes that's what I don't like about Claude is like Claude comes up with a plan without you and just tells you, okay, I start executing the plan. Okay, AI chat message can, but it has 0 hour and also coaching system. Coaching task tool. AI can list, complete, dismiss, create coaching tasks. Yes, let's first plan and create markdown file plan for this before starting executing all of this. I need to understand what exactly will be implemented to achieve this functionality. Yes, let's keep brainstorming and go to execution because we already have the plan covering everything. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna go on 1 hour break, 1 minute break. I'll be streaming for 1 more hour, so we implement important stuff. Yep, okay. Okay, so what do we have? Let's check the plan. Okay, I think we reconnected. Let's see. I think it works fine now. Okay, I think we reconnected. Okay, I think we did. So let me check what we have here. First of all, I need to understand the context that we provide. This one is, if it's even fine. I think it's too big, so I'm checking now. It's not insanely large. In your log is reasonable. It may be larger than optimal because your creator context includes multiple multi-line lists every time. If those lists grow, history is long, you can end up with lots of tokens that are not relevant. Okay, how to improve? Reduce tokens, improve relevance throughout without changing behavior much. Reduce recent videos. Shorten static system. Make the always on instructions tighter. Capabilities when to use lists. Highest quality, lowest tokens, requires code. If the user asks about ideas, include ideas, goals, maybe skip subscriber trend. Yeah, I like the approach 3, and also one question I have is about in my current prompt I see providing information to AI about number of subscribers. Let's say 0 to 100 subscribers, focus on this, on that, and this number changes. So maybe it would be better to only provide info about subscribers based on what channel subscriber count is, so we don't provide extra information. For example, if the channel is 1000 subscribers, we don't need to send the info about the subscriber count to AI, which is lower than 1000. Does this make sense? Okay, it makes sense. Exactly kind of relevant only optimization includes. If you remove all other stage text entirely, the model won't have built-in language to dock. Okay, do you want the prompt to include a only current stage? Do we need next stage though? Okay, what is here? User of XP and leveling not actually implemented. Telling AI about XP leveling right now won't be misleading. would say you earn 20 XP, nothing would happen. Yeah, why does AI need to know about XP reference? It doesn't. Coach notes, what AI would actually do. Free text, okay. So I think we don't need AI to know like leveling system, and also I don't think AI needs to know about coaching notes. Why would it need about it? Coaching note user can see already on the dashboard. So with less we populate AI with some extra requirements, I think the better the performance will be. We need to minimize sending too much stuff. Okay, we don't need next stage as well. We need to show AI focus on the current number of subscribers. So how to implement that functionality, that this will be provided in the prompt after we check the current number of the subscribers for the channel. And what else improvements do you suggest? How to implement them? Okay, so for this we came up with a plan. 11 tasks total: Prisma scheme updates, profile data layer, onboarding domain, API routes, constants, hook, use onboarding progress, 8-step wizard shell, onboarding page, AI context form. Okay, it's a lot of stuff actually. 2 execution plans, sub-agent driven, recommended inline execution. Let's go save agent driven, and then I'm gonna just review all those stuff and test it. Let's go with sub-agent driven route, not driven approach. Actually, I was thinking about this leveling system for my app, and I was not aware that vidIQ has something similar. I discovered it today. I had no idea about it, but mine is kind of a different look. vidIQ is having this gaining XP and unlocking levels after milestones. Let's say I reached 500 subscribers and it gave me some new level. So it has these milestones. After I reach 600, it will give me new like level or achievement. Here, milestone unlocked. It's kind of motivating stuff. So in our case, we will not have, I think, such thing, or we will, I don't know. So basically what View Frenzy, I want to focus it on user actually completing some tasks and rewarding him after that. And this milestone is also rewarding, also a nice idea, but this happens after you actually, this reward comes after the progress. You need to work for that progress and then it comes. But on View Frenzy, I want to push the users to actually, with actions, you know, like I was being active on YouTube, and I was and this made me reach my milestone, but on the View Frenzy, I want to actually point out to some stuff to do, and then so we will reward him by doing actions, and not reward after YouTube grows, you know. It's actually a good thing to think about. I want to test vidIQ. I have not explored it much. I have explored it briefly, and I found a lot of useful stuff, and I think they also added new stuff here, you know. Daily ideas. Create, what does it let you, topic of the day. So unlock the secrets, so it's basically advising me to work on this. But start from your enter topic or title. Daily ideas. Generate, let's see. Actually, I don't have credits. I don't have the pro subscription for this. Learn. Okay, so I want to understand what is the difference between script writer and generate. Learn. Okay, learn is cool. Let's see, script writer. Okay, for me to understand this is okay. So my guess is they don't have some newly created model for vidIQ specifically. They are just tuning the prompt for the AI, because vidIQ is like a large ecosystem of YouTube knowledge. So basically they know how to tune a prompt. See, it's like script mode, clipping. Clipping is telling AI, I'm sure, that you need to focus on finding viral moments. The script writer is like they have giving, I think, some basic example of script writing to AI, and here you set long format, short, video, minutes, tone. So basically everything this could be adjusted, nothing crazy here. And generate, how does generate work? I just need to test this. I will test this once, I think. Next week I will start testing this on stream. I think I'll buy subscription for this and start testing. I don't want to copy this exactly. I want just to understand how it works and what can I also do with this View Frenzy, because View Frenzy idea is more like a productivity tool combined with AI. It's a place where you can comfortably track your ideas and manage your ideas, create and track your progress. vidIQ, as I see, is more like analytic based. It finds relevant videos to you, so it kind of lets you find the video, so you understand what to copy, you know, what you can reinvent. It lets you see the competitors, create daily ideas. Okay, I mean, a lot of useful stuff, yeah. But yeah, I need to kind of understand how it works. So because I have some ideas for this which will be different, it will be also useful. So let's go back here. Build creator context is used to propose. Okay, so allows a agent driven development and okay, plan is updated, so I guess I will not launch this process. Let's continue with this one, first one. And here it's important, Okay, so I will remove this from the prompt, this info, and we will add the relevant section based on the current subscriber count of the channel. So we will add the function which will calculate the current subscriber count. Based on that, it will generate which section of this to populate to the system prompt. So we will get rid of unnecessary extra tokens, so we will not overload the AI agent. Other improvements: token friendly mode for chat, recent videos 5, subscriber trend, last ideas bucket. Include goals, ideas only when relevant to the user message. Okay, so I'll give a prompt like this. Actually, okay, let's implement the first suggestion, which is the active stage only for the subscriber count, and then you suggested to trim creators' current data. Recent videos to show only last 5 or last 3, subscriber trend. Include goals, ideas only when relevant to user message. Okay, so how will we achieve this functionality to include goals and ideas only when relevant to the user message? So yes, I want, if user asks, like let's say, let's continue with brainstorming my idea, and in that case AI needs to check the ideas list and continue from there. But yeah, only in that case. How can we achieve this functionality? Yes, better to trim by default, providing many latest videos and goals and stuff like that to AI. We need AI to check it only after a user's message. So how to achieve that so it's reliable? Okay, so active stage only based on current subscriber count. I replayed all stages. Okay. Let's see what we have here. So growth stage has been removed. Active growth stage. Fill active stage section. See, if the count is less, we provide this. Okay. Should include ideas. So it will include ideas only in case it finds this word. Okay, context by default. Include goals, ideas only when relevant. Okay, so as I understood, we'll just check for some keywords. Based on it, we will understand if the AI needs to look up the ideas or goals, right? And when AI looks up goals, for example, how much of the goals will he read, or plans or ideas? Okay, I think this small improvement is good for now. It will just, we will reduce the context not to send unnecessary stuff, and yeah, I will just quickly try to test this. This works. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to content page. Ideas, we have 6 ideas. Okay, can you check how many existing ideas I have? What's the issue? Okay, this could be because we are running the task. That's why, I guess. This could be the reason. Okay. Okay, so I guess the connection is really bad today, so I will just end my stream and we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be implementing the questionnaire. Once the user signs up for the first time, we'll be asking some relevant questions to understand the profile of the user and to improve the AI's work on the user. So that will be